Welcome to my channel. Today I will show Bhutta Pora or burnt corn. It is a very common Kolkata street food and favorite snack or tiffin of Bengalis. Whenever we are traveling, we love to have it. We also make it at home whenever we want it. Generally, we have it in the afternoon and evening. It's made with only 3 ingredients, yet it's very nutritious, filling and tasty. Please subscribe for more tasty recipes. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified when I post a video. You can also like, share and comment below. I answer to all. Generally, this recipe is made with white corn. Since I don't have white corn now, I have taken sweet corn. Take off the skin of the maize. While choosing corn, make sure the corn is small and the seeds are small and soft. White corn is less sweet than sweet corn. The seeds are also a bit harder than the sweet corn. In case of white corn, not many seeds should be big and yellow in color. It means the maize is ripe. The ripe seeds are hard to chew. To check the seeds are soft, cut a seed with a nail. If it is soft and juicy, then we have got the right corn. As you can see, the seeds of the corn are not very big. The seeds are soft and juicy. However, the sweet corn will always be softer than the white corn. Put a corn on the gas burner and burn it in high flame till golden brown or slightly burnt on all sides. Rotate and change position of the corn frequently so that it gets burnt on all sides. As you can see, like popcorn, the seeds are bursting. Don't burn it a lot. It will not taste good. Burn the corn till all the rows and columns of the corn are slightly burned. Then take off the gas and keep aside. As you can see that all columns and rows of my corn are slightly burnt. I like it this way. If you like more burnt, then burn it more. Even if some seeds are not burnt, it's okay because heat has cooked them as well. If you think the maize is burnt a lot, we can rub the maize with tissue paper or cloth to get rid of the soot or ash. We need to do this if the corn is burnt a lot. My corn is good. I don't need it. Dip a slice of lemon in salt and rub it on the burnt corn. Serve it hot. It serves 2 people. Please make it at home and share it with your friends and family. Let me know how it was. I will be back with another tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.